Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to search within a journal if you know the name of the journal that you're looking for. We're going to start at the Marks Library homepage. If you click underneath Library Resources, you will see a link that says Journal and eBook List. Click on this link and it will take you to a search box where you can search all of the journals that we have available to us in the Marks Library. Here's where you'll type in the name of the journal that you're looking for. So if you know that the name of the journal is the Journal of Quantitative Criminology, you can type this into the box. You can see that it suggests Journal of Quantitative Criminology, so we'll click on this. And we only have one result, and this is the correct name. Make sure that the name matches the journal you're looking for. Sometimes journals have similar names. If you click on this result, you will see that it gives you the option to access the full text of the journal. Click on this. We have several ways of accessing the full text. However, you'll notice that there are some differences between them. First, you'll want to notice the date range for each of these options. So the first one you'll notice goes from 1998 to the present. The next one goes from 1985 to 2012, and the rest go to present day. Also notice that some of them have full text delays. This is the time between the publication of the article and when we get access to the full text. So you'll notice these first three have delays. However, these last two links, the Springer links, do not have delays. So we're going to click on this last one here, Springerlink Journals. This will take you to a page where you can search within this specific journal. Now I want you to notice that there are two search boxes. One is at the top and one is smaller on the side. You do not want to use the top search box because this will search within all of the Springer resources. You want to use the smaller search box because this will search just within the Journal of Quantitative Criminology. So this is where you will type your search terms. So let's say you're interested in the theory of self-control. So you type in the search term self-control and hit enter. So we have 380 results, but before we begin looking through these, let's look at some of our limiters. In the left-hand column, first you'll want to unclick Preview Only. Preview Only will show you articles that are in the journal but that we do not have access to. You can access these articles through Interlibrary alone if you should find something that you feel like you need for your research. However, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to unclick it so that everything we find is readily available to us. You'll also notice some other limiters, including content type. Now we only have articles, but occasionally you'll see other types of content, including things like book reviews. So you'll want to make sure you select articles so that the only thing you're finding is scholarly articles. Discipline, if you wanted to limit it to social sciences or statistics. Subdiscipline, we only have one here, and that is criminology and criminal justice, and language. If you're finding things in a language that you do not speak or read, you can limit it only to English. Okay, another important limiter is going to be the date published. You can click on this to limit the range that you're looking for in terms of date published. Now, your professor has indicated that you should only have sources published later than 2000. So I'm going to put the year 2000 in here and run the search. Okay, and you can see that it got rid of some of our results. We now have 236 results. Everything that has come up is going to be something that is available to us. So let's click on this first article. And you can see it has all the information, including the authors, how to cite the article, and where you can download the entire PDF. So this is where you're going to actually read the article. So click on the PDF, and there you have it, the entire article for you to use in your research. All right, so let's return to the Marks Library homepage. I'm going to show you how to search one more journal that's a little bit different. So we're going to go to Library Resources. We're going to go to Journal and eBook List, and then we're going to look for the journal called Feminist Criminology. So let's click on this one. And you see now we have several options. So this is where you want to make sure you are selecting the correct journal. The first one here is Feminist Criminology. So let's click on this. Again, we'll click on our full text access. Okay, we have two ways of accessing it. They're more or less the same, but I'm going to click on this one because I think it's a little bit easier to navigate. And so we come to the homepage on Sage Journals for Feminist Criminology. Just like the previous journal, notice that there are two search boxes. This one will search all of Sage journals. You don't want to do that. You only want to search Feminist Criminology. So let's click in the search box and we're going to use the same search terms and hit enter. Okay, so we have 148 results. If you want to limit your search based on publication date, you can do that right here. So we'll put 2000 in here to limit it that way. Then we can refine our search in other ways. Down here, you can limit it to accessing all content, open access content only, or only content that you have full access to. I'm going to click this one so that everything we find we are able to access. Notice that there are other ways that you can limit it. You can add additional search terms, and you can adjust the publication date here as well. So I'm going to click the search term. If you notice on the right-hand side, there are ways to limit the type of article that you are seeing. In this case, you're only wanting to use research articles. You don't want to use editorials or book reviews or whatever else might be falling under the category of other. So we're going to click on research article. And everything we find here will be a scholarly article. Beneath the article titles, you will see this little PDF icon. This is how you can download the full text PDF. So if we click on this, we will get the entire article for you to reference as you do your research. So we're going to return to the Marks Library homepage. Remember that if you get stuck while you're doing your research, you encounter any challenges, or you're not finding the information that you need, do not hesitate to contact your librarian. The information for contacting me is at the bottom of the LibGuide. Good luck and happy searching.